Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that GS network token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, GS network is a cross-chain protocol that connects Bitcoin to the Solana ecosystem, enabling Bitcoin to be used as a programmable yield-generating assets in decentralized finance DeFi. It solves Bitcoin utility problem by tokenizing BTC into ZBTC, a 1:1 pegged assets that can be used across Solana's fast low-cost DeFi landscape. Its architecture is permissionless and trustless, using a decentralized network of guardians and the GS program library ZPL to secure cross-chain transactions without custodians. The ecosystem foster a Bitcoin economy on Solana through flagship DApp like Apollo for minting ZBTC and developer looks like Bitcoin Kit. GS Network project institution rating is 3.9. GS Network token total supply is 999.99 million and circulating supply is around 919.82 million GS token. GS token is listed on Binance Alpha, OKX, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.